Alright, today's the day, guys. We're going to be installing the new Smarty tuner. That's upside down. The Smarty tuner into the truck. I've actually been waiting a long time for this. Actually, but I want to get all the other parts on there first. Like, if you guys haven't seen those videos, we have the the banks, the Monster Ram, we have the Sinister Diesel intake, and then we have the exhaust as well install on the other videos. This is going to be pretty easy. It's just connects to your OBD2, and then we'll have to mount this up some areas, and then mount this on the windshield. But we're gonna knock this out right now. We're gonna do the EGT probe. So then we'll have our EGTs on here, so you can see, and that's probably gonna be the hardest thing. Well, like the most difficult. We have to tap the manifold. So that's what we're gonna do now. We'll be drilling it with a 21/64 bit, and then we will be tapping it with an 1/8. Can we even get close on this? An 1/8 by 27 tap is what that EGT probe calls for. We have it all wired up now. We're gonna hang this up somewhere underneath our dash and plug this into our Smarty. Yeah. I think we'll put all of our things right in here, and there's a little zip tie. I can zip tie it down too. And then, yeah, that'll be good. Okay, we're gonna be running that wire on the very front driver's side corner. Right there's a little opening, and it drops all the way down to the floorboard. So that's right there. You'll see if you guys just drop it down right there, so we can grab it from underneath. And this wire is for our screen. right here on the corner of the windshield. All right, guys, we got it all wired up here. Got everything plugged in. I just used a bunch of zip ties and pretty much just zip tied it out nice. Tied up these wires back here, if you can kind of see. Kind of wound them up. That's right here too. And zip tied them.
I seen it. You're good.
Okay. Yeah, we got those all wired up. We got this up here. Ready to go. And yeah. All right, so I did a little bit of research. I'm gonna start off with a 3. I'm gonna start off with a 3. I think this thing goes all the way up to 9, but I don't want to blow the transmission. At least not today. Let's see. Let me know when you're. ECM. Good you. Right here. We're already on power level number 3. I'm just gonna leave it there for now, and then we'll go. Alright, we just first started up. This thing sounds a little bit different, you can definitely tell. And like even in the throttle response, like she feels a lot different. We're gonna see right now, we're gonna go mob it. Did you want? Alright, first reactions. see what she does, see. She is already rolling a little bit cool right there. Parked. She starts climbing nice, really nice. Ask this little guy back here. Dude, she starts climbing nice though.
Nice pull too, yeah, for sure.
Let's see it.
You know, open it up.
Yeah, it's nice. She has woken up now, dude. For a little bit there, I was like, man, it's kind of weak. Now that we have the chip on, she's woken up for sure. What's up with this guy? What is this guy doing up here? Should we pass these guys? This guy looking like a fucking pussy right now. I know, there's people. I would have done it unless there's people walking.
Yeah.
Oh, it just boom, took it out that whole fucking head right there.
This guy's screaming.
Oh, fuck this motherfucker. So far I don't see any dumpage though. No dumpage.
No dumpage?
Should we turn the fuel rail up to a 3?
Bro, you see the fucking...
That guy didn't even stop up there. That guy didn't even stop, he just fucking went. What the fuck? Dude, those jacks back there are gonna go they're gonna slam, bro. Let's see if we get any coal. Put it out there. Oh, do not go on the camera.
Fucking
what? The what? What the fuck is this guy saying, bro? You see that? What is this guy saying? Dude, it's nice. She pulls now. That was all the way in there. Right? I think I want a little more on her. I think we're gonna take it up to a number 410, and then I might increase the fuel, the rail pressure to a 3, and also the time, or is the timing right? To a 3. I think we had those at 2 right now. So we're gonna go up one more whole tune, and then another setting on the fuck this girl looking at? The hell is her problem? I'm gonna roll some coal in that girl right now, dude. Anyways, yeah. So that's what we're gonna do. I think they recommended that we don't go over 3 on auto, right? Auto transmission. Yeah, so we're gonna go number 5. They also said don't go past 2 on the line pressure and the timing, but we were going on 3, so if it breaks, it breaks. Oh well. We'll just have another video for you guys of us fixing it. Alright, she definitely got a little more power to her for sure. I think she also just rolls a little bit more. Let's see it.
That's my neighbor.
That's a neighbor? Is that your neighbor? Yeah. We're dumping on your neighbor. I'm sorry. Tell your neighbor. My bad.
Chica.
Here, let's go this way. Should we do a rip right here? Should we do rip? Should we do rip?
Truck coming out.
What the fuck? What's your truck? Let's do a rip right here. Bro, holy shit, dude, bro, look at that thing still clouded over there. What flew? My phone? My phone flew. I know it did. It's somewhere down there. Wow, the dumpage.
Dude, that was a sick shot.
The dumpage.
That was a sick shot I got right now.
If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll get to them. The product will be in the description if you guys want to go buy that. Also, I'm going to be adding some new videos, so if you guys want some more, go ahead and subscribe. I'm going to have a video coming out with my buddy Fifi. He has a Nissan 350Z. So I told him, let's run them. Let's get a video. So we're going to do that hopefully this week, next week. It'll be up. And I got tons of other videos I'm sitting on. I got a Mishimoto intercooler, transmission cooler, radiator. That's gonna be coming out soon. I just need time to edit that. And yeah, as always guys, thanks for watching.